Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to take a look at this Ozark Trail 8.66 fixed blade knife. I found it at Walmart for practically nothing. I mean, as you guys can see here, it's only $7 and some change. Let's go ahead and open it up and show you exactly what you're getting. It comes with this really nice hard plastic sheath that has a rotating little hip attachment so you can clip it into your belt. Pretty nifty design, as it has a kind of a locking feature with the knife here, you'll see in a second. I really like the blade on this guy. It's got some really nice angles and it's pretty sharp too. but no, the handle is got a good feel to it, fits my hand pretty good. That rubber allows you to really maintain a good grip, and it is pretty balanced. Go ahead and slide it into the sheath here, and it locks right in pretty easy. It's a snug fit, as it doesn't come out too easy. Well, there you have it. I think this makes for a good fixed blade to have on your belt clip, especially if you're out on the property and you're working on things. This is something you can easily access where you're not having to worry about folding it out. You just simply pull it right out and you're good to go.